Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 5 verified data analyst and data science job openings for freshers, interns and experienced professionals. If you are actively applying, watch till the end because the last role is a high paying MIS and data analyst position. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly job updates. Let's go ahead with the job one. This is for interns. The job role is at Inficore Software Limited. This is a full-time remote internship for 1 to 3 months with a stipend of 15,500. You will work on data cleaning, analysis, dashboards and reporting. The skills required are Excel or Google Sheets, basic SQL or Python, and the visualization tools are a plus. This is open for students and fresh graduates. You also get mentorship and an internship certificate. Let's go ahead with the second job opportunity, which is at Color Papers India Limited. This is a full-time data science internship for the freshers as well as experience. You will work with Excel, Python, Power BI, Power Query, and even AI tools like ChatGPT. Your work includes dashboards building, KPI reporting, data cleaning, and presentations. This is best suited for students or recent graduates who want hands-on industry exposure. Let's go ahead with the third job for today. This is for experienced professional. This role needs 1 to 3 years of experience and focuses on sales data, logistics performance, and customers behavior. This is again, this company is the same, Color Papers India Limited. You will track marketplace KPIs, shipping SLAs, and customer satisfaction metrics. Key skills are SQL, Python, Power BI, or Tableau, and Google Analytics. This is a great role if you want real business exposure in e-commerce analytics. Okay, let's go ahead with the fourth job opportunity for experienced. This is at Deloitte, Delhi. This is a consultant level data analyst role for professionals with 4 to 8 years of experience. You will build end-to-end dashboards, work on ETL pipelines, and handle large-scale data platforms using SQL, Power BI, Python, and modern analytics tools. This role suits candidates aiming for Big Four consulting exposure and leadership growth. Let's go ahead with the last job opportunity for today, which is at Generic Engineering Constructions. This is a full-time MIS and data analyst role with 30,000 to 40,000 salary per month for 3 to 5 years of experience. Strong requirement is advanced Excel, Power BI, MIS reporting, dashboards, and automation. You will directly work with management dashboards, KPIs, and business reporting. This is ideal for those who want to grow in senior MIS or BI roles. All application links are in the description. Apply fast because these roles usually close quickly. Subscribe to the channel for weekly data analyst job alerts for freshers and experienced professionals, and see you in the next update.